because of me.
Yeah. And I enjoy watching his videos.
Okay, yeah. See, guys, we are at Agdu Triumph right now, and Shafika is here. Say hi.
Hello.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to see one of my subscribers. The weather is, it says it's 20, but it's not 20. So feels like it's around, let's say 15, 13 or 15 degrees. And yep. About my outfit, cap. I had something in my cap. On a t-shirt, some drinks. Very nice pant, in which I could have my wallet of my mobile phone, my earphone, selfie stick, my sort of pant, you know. I could put so much of stuff in that, and was just pretty good. So, yeah, let's see. Even I don't know where we guys are actually going, but we'll see. I think we never know what God has in store for us. So, yeah. This is Shafaka. Oh my God, Shafaka got vaping. Shafaka got vaping, right? In 4K, yes. So we met at Chatle, we had a Starbucks, and then we are right now at Agdu Champs-Élysées. Going to Louis Vuitton, then we'll go to Peninsula, then we'll go to the Eiffel Tower, then what else? Sacré-Cœur maybe? I heard that. Yeah, obviously, bro. I am the best content creator. Bro, everybody in my friend knows me by the name of that fucking.
Yeah, I know. Ask him.
All the time, what I do is
viral, you know? That is recording, yeah. That had literally 18 to 20 fucking
yeah.
And in that Gujarati accent.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why you cannot viral your video.
I don't want to be viral, bro. I am happy with where I am. I don't want to be viral. There will be one day, you know, where I'll be viral. That day will come soon. So yeah, my hair a little bit messy in my opinion. But whatever. I mean, yeah, it looks good. Today it looks good for whatever reason. I don't know why. So we're going to Louis Vuitton, and then we'll go to Peninsula, and then to Eiffel Tower and stuff like that. So yep. As you guys can see, we are at Louis Vuitton. Where are we, bro? Where are we? Louis Vuitton, not Louis Vuitton. Which is Louis Vuitton, bro? You pronounce it as Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton no belt પહેરો છે. કેનો belt પહેરો છે? Louis Vuitton. Okay, so we are going to see the Eiffel Tower. Right now I'll show you a very nice scenic view of Eiffel Tower. Let me see if I'm not sure if it's this side or that side. Which side? This side? Yeah. That's Metro Line 6 for you, the beauty of Metro Line 6. So we are going to Trocadero right now, because Trocadero we can have a very nice view of Eiffel Tower. So we'll have some croissant or chocolate over there, and then maybe, you know, somewhere else. So yeah. So guys, हम लोग Eiffel Tower चले गए, खा पी लिया थोड़ा बहुत. क्या खाया हमने?
क्या खाया हमने? क्रेप और फ्रेंच फ्राइज.
क्रेप और फ्रेंच फ्राइज खिलाया भाई ने. थोड़ा कंजूस भाई है. बहन आई है दूर से, फिर भी कहीं अच्छी जगह पे लेके नहीं गया. शफीका, क्या कहना क्या है आपका शफाकत पे? अच्छा भाई है कि नहीं है?
कंजूस है, कंजूस.
कंजूस है भाई. तेरे को कंजूस बोल दिया भाई. भाई सीएस के पगलू है भाई. सीएस के पगलू है.
ला कंजूस.
कंजूस है भाई एक नंबर का. क्या बताए. आज बाल थोड़े बहुत अच्छे, इतने भी अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे, लेकिन it works, you know, it works. What else?
Curly है, it works.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah.
मैं पहले पीछे रखने का सोच रहा था, फिर मैं बोला छोड़ो भाई, फकिंग हो जाएगी फिर. So अभी boulangerie जा रहे हैं. We'll have some pain au chocolat. We'll have some croissant. We'll have some eclair, madeleine, macaron. What else? सब चीज़ का नाम ले लिया भाई. जो चीज़ पता थी वो सब चीज़. तूने बगेट खाई है कभी? बगेट.
बगेट नहीं,
इसको पता भी नहीं था कि बगेट क्या होता है.
हाँ, सुनी है.
Crazy भाई. So we'll show her baguette. Why don't you start your own YouTube in Georgia?
Me?
Yes.
I don't have time.
Come on, that's a lie. That's a fake lie.
That is right.
That's not.
That is, bro.
Everybody has time.
हाँ,
I
but-
have 24 hours. You have 24
ना,
hours in a day.
जो एम नहीं. I can say that she have lots of work, but I cannot agree with that. She don't have time because you know why?
See, I have time. But
She
in
have
that,
classes on Sunday also.
Okay, so
see,
what?
but
No, so that's what I'm saying. She have
What time? Like from morning to afternoon, morning to evening?
like you can say that she have a lot of work,
Okay.
but
thank you.
But
she could be free.
yes, exactly.
Yeah, but in that free time, I revise stuff.
Okay. How much GPA are you having?
3.8.
Out of
4, obviously, bro. Like she's topping her classes, man.
bro, but still, you are not here just for this like topping a class and all this.
I mean, she has to be because she's in medical.
See, in our college,
Yeah,
we have to pass the subject.
yeah,
It's like, for example, a test is of 100 marks.
yeah.
We have to pass through 75.
Same for us. Our is 73, just 2 marks less. We cannot have anything less than C grade. If it's less than C, we fail it. What do we have here? Mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise. Nice.
We can post this?
Yes. Why? You shy?
No? Yeah. A little bit. As a viewer, I enjoy it. But
Yes.
I cannot be the content.
Oh, come on. You are not the content. You are a part of the video. You know. This guy is content. This guy. This guy is
This YouTube
content.
channel works on me, bro.
I know.
That's because of me.
Nah, that's not true. That's not true at all.
Okay, so you want content?
What? I mean, I don't. It's okay. The video is already around 10 minutes long.
Okay, so I can teach you Georgian.
Okay.
You can teach me French.
Shafaka, what did she say? What did she say?
She said like she wanna teach you French, Georgian, and you
Okay.
wanna teach her French.
What was the last part again?
Oh, okay. I know this inside joke. I know this. I know this.
Huh?
The language.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know that. It was famous.
So cute.
Heating. He's the
Tube light, tube
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. So,
J'occupe maintenant.
introduction. Let's do the introduction. Hello. I am Rishi.
Yes. What's that in Georgia?
Yeah, so it's Kamar Shobha,
Yamashuba.
Devar,
Nivar.
Rishi.
Yamashuba. Hi.
गांबर शोभा अमीनवर क्या है वो है
What?
Mewar is the area of Gujarat. If you learn the history, Mewar was
Mewar, that was Rajasthan.
but yeah it was before it
yeah,
was
it was in Gujarat.
Oh,
Rajasthan,
yeah.
whatever.
Then
Can you say it again? Mewar,
Gamar Shobha,
Gama Shura,
Mewar Rishi.
Mewar. Say it again.
Gamar Shobha,
Gama Shura,
Mewar,
Mewar,
Rishi.
Rishi. Okay. In French, if you want to say, there are multiple words for saying hi. First is very bonjour. Second is salut. Third is cuckoo. Fourth is cuckoo. Yes, just cuckoo. Cuckoo means hi, like very informal. Like you are meeting your best friend. Like let's say I'm meeting Shifukar,
Yeah, like,
and I want to say it very informal. I can say cuckoo, but most likely it's used by females.
female to male and
For
female
boys, we say sadikwa, sadikwa, like sadikwa. What are you saying? Like what's up? What's up?
Sadikwa.
Then another one is
yeah,
one
it's
up, one up. What's new?
French version,
Yeah,
but make
slang.
it hood.
Yeah, hood version.
Yeah.
Yeah, hood version. What else? And if you want to say my name is, you can say Je m'appelle. That's very normal. Je m'appelle. Like the literal translation of Je m'appelle is I call myself as. So like I call myself as Rishi. Je m'appelle Rishi is I call myself as Rishi. Or you can say Je suis, like I am Rishi. Je suis.
Bro, look, that's a restaurant. No. C'est quoi? What the heck is that?
Idea.
I thought it's no, but it's not. Okay.
It's not this one.
Okay, then your age.
Chuaquilage.
Like the French numbers are, to be honest, very easy. They're only 1 to 9, and then after 10 is this, and
Then we have to add.
yeah, then we just have to add like 10 plus 1, it's 11, 10 plus 2 is 12, 10 plus 3 is 4, 14, 5 is 5. Hey, 15 is what?
हाँ, 14. 10.
6. After 6, you have to say this set, like 10 plus 7, this and set.
Oh, it's same as yours.
Yeah.
Like we have to memorize 1 to 20.
Yeah.
Then we have to add.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In French, we have until like after 10, it's like you have to add. But like we say 20 as one, then 30 as 40, 70, like 60 plus 10 is 70, 70. Yeah, like 60
So what's
plus
80?
80 is 80 is 80. Yes, like 4 times 20.
Pesto?
Yeah.
Where? यहाँ करते हैं पेस्ट तो मंगाई काटते हैं हारू पड़ते हैं
Yeah, that's
No, I don't have any trauma.
We have a trauma.
What kind of trauma?
We got kidnapped by a black guy.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
In his pocket.
Oh my god. In
Yeah.
his pocket.
Yeah.
I was making fun of her that be aware of Kala people.
Kala people.
अगर 14 लोगों को देखना हो ना 14 लोग तो ये 2 14 है
Yeah.
Bro, what the? You want me to ban my channel on YouTube, bro? What the heck?
What is it?
Nothing. Ask her. So very beautiful church. We wanted to go inside, but it's 7, so it is closed right now. It's pretty big. I didn't expect because when I came here last year, it was under construction. Right now, it's open. Pretty good to be honest. And where are we going? Where are we gonna go now, guys? Okay, so we are right now at Notre Dame. This guy is not happy because his team is losing in IPL.
It's winning.
It's not that. Just for CSK got a wicket.
70.
Yeah, 79. At how many overs? 10 overs, bro. They're gonna lose, bro. They're gonna lose. CSK's downfall needs to be studied. And I bullied this girl so much that I'm on the verge of losing 1 subscriber. So we need to do something.
He's sharing the same trauma as me.